Happy New Year to our viewers, subscribers, and our followers. Let's show you a simple setup of you generating 5 to 600 kg of larvae to feed your livestock within 10 to 12 days at the comfort of your home. Here is a simple setup of we introducing 213 grams of BSF unit into second feeding. They are 6 days old larvae today, of which we hatch them inside 4 of this container, and after 6 days we have to divide them into 18 of this container for them to feed within 4 to 5 days. And after 4 to 5 days, we still have to divide them into another container, which can be around 35 to or 36 containers. The aim of this simple setup at the comfort of our home is to produce 5 to 600 kg of larvae for our livestock within 10 to 12 days. With this, they are 6 days old today, and we've introduced them to second feeding. We hatched 213 grams of eggs. After 6 days, we divided them into 18 of this container to second feeding. And after 4 to 5 days now, we still have to divide them to another 18 of this container, making 36 to 40 containers to produce 500 to 600 kg of larvae for our livestock within 10 to 12 days at the comfort of our home. No excuse that I can't start BSF farming because I don't have a bow pond. With this simple setup, can start at the comfort of your home, and you produce cheap feed, cheap protein substitute for your livestock at the comfort of your home without breaking the bank. Here is a simple larvarium you can think of in this new year to produce your own insect protein using black soldier fly, and you produce their larvae to feed your livestock. All you have to do is to get your eggs. Once you get your eggs, you hatch them for 3 to 6 days. After hatching them, you now introduce them to second feeding for 10 to 12 days. And with that, you get a high proteinous feed, which is the BSF larvae, that you can feed to your livestock, be it pigs, poultry, and fish, at the comfort of your home. Thank you once again, and Happy New Year. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on all our social media platforms for an update on this black soldier fly farming. Thank you once again, and you welcome.